Benny and the Secret Tunnel. Benny loved exploring. One day, while playing in the forest, he discovered a narrow, hidden path he had never seen before. Curious, he followed it until he reached a small opening in the ground. A tunnel. Benny hesitated for a moment, then crawled in, feeling a mix of excitement and a little fear. The tunnel led him to a secret underground room filled with mysterious carvings and glowing stones. Benny felt like he had stepped into a hidden world. He imagined that this must have been a place for forest creatures to gather. He carefully touched one of the stones, feeling its smooth, cool surface. After a while, he decided to leave and tell his friends about his discovery. They all agreed to explore the forest together next time, eager to find more hidden treasures. Benny learned that curiosity can lead to amazing adventures, especially when shared with friends.